Well, it is now Dezerland, I'm probably still saying that wrong, the auto experience and, well, several other things. It is officially open for previews. Last time I was in this building, it was still Artagon, which, and kind of wish it still was. But it is not. So let's check out the new place. It's not quite finished and it's not quite open, which seems to be the theme of this building. Let's see if this one actually lasts long enough to finish being opened. These were built to be stores. Actually, back when this was a regular mall, these were going to open for Artagon, but they never did open. They got some, oh look, my face detection is detecting the face that's painted. This is a very customized Mercedes. My dad would like this. Santa, you're a little still these days. Now that's a wide car.
Dezerland website and go to car dealership. It's actually listed there, ask for price.
So the front two rows of tires, are those both powered or is one just...
I believe they're both powered. They both turn together.
Alright.
You can see they're both slightly turned. The front wheel turns a little more than the back wheels, but they have to do that for control.
Right, yeah. What year Cadillac was this?
Oh God, because it was built on a Cadillac frame, so it's, I don't know what year Cadillac they built underneath it. If you go to the website, they've got tons of pictures of the interior and exterior.
Alright. Of course, Maryland, who we're very familiar with at Universal. My dad used to have one of these for his dealership. It was an old Cadillac. I don't know if it was as old, but it was, no, I'm sorry, it was an Oldsmobile. It was turn of the century. I don't remember the exact year, but this obviously is the Blacklight Bowling Alley, also new. The Blacklight Golf Course, mini golf, has been here since at least when it was Artagon, maybe even longer. Not quite finished. Well, it's not running right now, but it looks like this is a vending machine that freshly squeezes oranges into juice when you order it. I've never seen that before. Here is the map. Oh, I've heard of this song before. Jeez. And here's the flooring from the original mall that was here. There used to be a scrim here. I remember I shot through it, and that's when I was told to leave. The last day of operation for Artagon. Oh wow, look, an old Honda that still runs. Don't see that every day. Yeah, I do. And just like a lot of those old Hondas, it has obnoxious exhaust. I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I should go on the track. Maybe I'll just climb over this fence. Oh, I'm not supposed to climb over it. Yeah, it's kind of sad that they have to put that sign on there. This is the electric go-kart track. It looks a lot like the cars from Andretti. Don't know how much it is. It would be nice if I could get a ride in exchange for my channel, but my channel's not that big and well known, so I don't think so. Oh yes, I remember this. I forget the name of this pizza place now, but I remember seeing this when it was still Artagon. And it no longer is a pizza place, but there is, coming soon, food and beverage. So specific. So as you can kind of see here, this was a Ron John surf shop at one point. Looks like it's just a generic gift shop, which is not open at this time. Ah, Rocket Fizz, soda pop, and candies. Well, I love candy, so it's too bad it's closed. Haha, just kidding, it's open. Daffy Duck wouldn't let me down, would he?
Definitely
Would he?
not.
So, one of the things, Dr. Pepper cotton candy. Huh.
We had all kinds of bizarre neighborhoods.
Yeah. I love finding places that have sell candy that like I can't get everywhere else.
I love rock and roll.
Look at all these different specialty sodas. Labrador soda. Interesting. Oh, Smarty Pops. Those are pretty rare these days. I've definitely had them before. Just Hawaiian Punch cotton candy. That is very interesting. Yeah, this is one of those candy stores that has things that aren't candy at all, but are interesting. And they also have those odd flavored sodas. Birthday cake. I still maintain birthday cake is just regular cake. It's just on your birthday. There's nothing different about it. Bacon soda with maple syrup. King Kong Cola. Should have spelled with cola with a K. It's too bad I don't drink soda anymore because it is 100% guaranteed that it leads to cavities. Tiny hand bandages. Weird. That's interesting. There sure are a lot of different varieties of hair bow. But the question is, it is made in Germany, so it's probably good. And it's $2.69, so it really better be good. These include a spoon. Different candy sticks, different flavors.
Where are you from? You do
Pixie
blogging?
sticks. Yeah. I didn't know Jelly Belly even had a gum. Super Genius Mints. And these are pretty rare these days. I remember having those when I was little. My mom used to think if I would have them that I would become a smoker. You know, it didn't happen. This is pretty rare. I've seen it before, but not in a long time. And I'm not going to show you everything, but there's a good amount of candy here. And a lot of unique things that are hard to find. It's pretty cool. Here's a place that just says pinball. Unfortunately, it's not open yet. But here's an old pinball game from, well, I'm not really sure what it's from, but here's the inside of the machine. It's an area where I can't go yet. The Cinemark and the Putting Edge, which has been here since Artagon at least. I'm not sure if it was here. I'm forgetting the name of the mall that used to. This originally was built as a traditional mall. Military Pavilion. Oh, I feel like this. I think this was a bookstore, and when it was Artagon, I don't remember exactly. So it looks like I'm finally going to enter this part of the mall because it's open. Just kidding. Someone left that open. Turns out I wasn't supposed to be there. So this hallway gets me in trouble every time. And finally here is the arcade. Across from it is a very generously sized prize store actually. This looks like something from Japan possibly. Sonic themed four-way air hockey. That seems like a good idea, but it really isn't. I've tried it. It's actually trickier because once one person is out, then it gets kind of stuck over there. It's not as cool as it seems. These look like some sort of immersive games. Probably going to be expensive. 3 projectors. Obviously not running right now. Aha! Over here we have Zombie Snatch. Seen this before? I think Every arcade has the same graphic on it. Feels like it. And of course you have the ball drop game. Ah, another game from Ice. Haven't seen this one before. Monopoly Roll and Go. This is something that might have been at IAPA if we had IAPA, but we didn't. This looks like something from a few decades ago that was like the new cool thing that never really came to be, but I don't know how old it is. It might be, it's a VR simulator. It might be from like the first round when VR was starting to be, look at this, literally from a car. When VR was becoming a big thing and then it just kind of went away for a decade or two. I think this is that game where you actually shoot water at the screen. Kind of strange. So a pretty good amount of games here in the arcade. They have a Bond exhibit. Blues Brothers. I believe this used to be Gods and Monsters. Wow, look at how much space they used to have. It's a much smaller store now. This was Fuddruckers. Didn't know they left too. They were still here for a while. But I guess it's hard to survive in a mall that closed. Failed then closed.